Hi guys, I'm Chris. Like most of us, you probably learned how to use the SWOT, strength, weaknesses, opportunities, threat, in business goals back in the days. SWOT is one of those traditional strategy tools that companies and organizations and consultants and faculty have been using and teaching for more than 30 years. In Strategy Tools Global Coaches, you will learn a number of new tools that allows you to bring updated perspectives, new insights, and new realities into your consulting practice, your internal role, your teaching role. One of the most popular tools that we've developed is the Industry Shifts Map. Increasingly, people from all over the world are telling us that they have basically replaced the old SWOT with the new Industry Shifts Map. The map is just one of the tools that you will be learning as you go through the Strategy Tools Global Coaches and hopefully become an active part of the global community of strategy practitioners all over the world changing how we do strategy in practice. So sign up for Strategy Tools Global Coaches and I look forward to the chance to meet you there.